In this video, I will put you through on how to create folders on OneDrive Mobile for you to be able to organize your files. Let's just get right into it. Take these steps. First is to tap on your OneDrive Mobile app for it to open. As the OneDrive Mobile app opens, tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. Then you are provided with some options. Our interest is to create a folder on this mobile version, so select folder. Then give it a name. Okay, we are in the month of August. Let's say I want to be saving some files I created on this month of August inside it. So let me call this August. So type the name. So here I have mine as August 2025. Then tap on save button, which is at the top right. Once the folder is created, it's automatically opened. Okay, so tap on the plus sign to start uploading maybe some files inside. So I'll tap on this plus sign, then let's select upload. Then let's say I want to upload a picture. Okay, so I'll select photos and videos. As this opens, I will tap on any picture here that I want to upload there. Then I'll tap on add at the top right, and the file is uploading. And here comes the file. So this is how you create folder on OneDrive mobile app and also upload a file inside that folder. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn and grow in knowledge, okay? Leave a comment if you have questions to ask me on OneDrive so that I will answer you for you to complete more tasks. All right? And hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. You can check out this video to learn more on OneDrive. Thank you and see you some other time.